Okay, so in this video I will unbox this brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and I will also compare that with the Samsung Galaxy Watch, and I will also compare it to the Huawei Watch, and I will also compare it to the Apple Watch Series 5. So, let's start by unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Very Apple-like packaging actually. As you can see here, 45mm LTE version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So the packaging is like Apple packaging normally is. Like so. What's more in the box? I usually forget this, but in the top of the packaging, Samsung always have some documentations and so on. Here in the packaging of this, we have a charging dock, but no charger, only the cable with a USB Type A. That's what's in the box on this side. And on the other side we have the documentation, I'm so sure of that. As you can see, there you go, there you have the thing in the top of the box. So here is the real watch then. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. With a leather strap. Nice. Really nice. As you can see, premium genuine leather. 22mm leather strap. As you can see from the top, it looks quite gorgeous actually. Nice. Let me try to turn this on. Like so. Check this out. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Meanwhile, while this watch starts, we can also check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch number 1. 46mm, as you can see here. We have Bluetooth plus LTE on that one. LTE standalone connectivity, long battery life, auto fitness, wellness tracking, water resistant, and so on. Nice packaging. This is more like Samsung packaging to me, not so much as Apple doing it. And here we have the Galaxy Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch. Nice. Really nice. Let's turn that on too. Like so. Now we have two Galaxy Watches. So let's start do some comparison. The Galaxy Watch 3 is doing the setup at the moment, and here we have the Galaxy Watch number 1, the first Galaxy Watch, as you can see. With the original rubber strap that I think looks very cool. So here we have them. Size wise they are quite near each other. The Galaxy Watch 3 is a lot thinner to me when you see them like this, and it feels lighter too, and it has some protruding buttons at the side, as you can see. The first Galaxy Watch doesn't have as much protruding buttons. Both watches has a bezel that you can scroll. Really nice. Nice. And as you can see, a rubber strap and a leather strap. I actually think that the Galaxy Watch looks gorgeous. It's really cool looking watch. Leather strap is not really my thing. You can have cool looking leather straps too, and maybe this could be cool to have. I'm not sure. Well, it looks kind of neat. As you can see, it looks nice when you have it on. Really nice. No problem there. Looks nice. So the Galaxy Watch 3 looks nice when it's on the wrist. And here we have the first Galaxy Watch. Looks really cool, as you can see. Really nice. I like that. Really much. So we have two Galaxy Watches here. Both looks beautiful and cool to me. And here we have an old Huawei watch, as you can see, with a mesh strap. And here we have a new Apple Watch Series 5. So if we compare the new Galaxy Watch 3 with the Huawei watch, you can see the Huawei watch is very, very thick. Compared to the Galaxy Watch 3, it's miles thicker, really. Really, really thick watch. So, and also compared to the first Galaxy Watch, you can see it's even thicker than that. A lot thicker, as you can see. The Apple Watch is quite thin compared to the Huawei watch. Really thin. I guess it could even be thinner than the Galaxy Watch 3. Yes, it is. Definitely thinner than the Galaxy Watch 3. So, I think that's about it. That's my guess. Let's turn it off again. Like so. You hold both buttons to turn it off. Looks really cool. I love that. So that's about it. Let's turn this off. Like so. The Apple Watch I don't turn off, because I will have that on me, as usual. Like so. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye.